Good day, everyone. My name is Stephen from Umaru Ali Chinkafe Polytechnic School, Sokoto, from Computer Science Department. I'm here to briefly explain the types of network cables. Here we have the twisted pair cables. The pair cables used for internet connections. This cable consists of twisted pairs of copper wires. It's commonly used for local network areas and comes in two varieties: the shielded and unshielded. Next, we have the fiber optic cables. This cable uses light to transmit data through glass or plastic fibers. It's faster and more secure than twisted pair cables, and it's often used for high-speed internet and long-distance connections. Last but not the least, we have the coaxial cable. These coaxial cables are used for broadband internet and cable TV. Coaxial cables consist of a central copper core surrounded by insulation and a branded shield. Thank you all. This is all I have to summarize the types of network cables. Thank you for your audience.